guys, Lainey here from Spectrewaves Paranormal.
I'm Don from Spectrewaves, and tonight we're in Kankakee, Illinois at a private residence.
Yes, and we captured some very unusual paranormal evidence. It was
Super
a very
unusual.
draining investigation tonight.
Now, the people here actually called us in because they've moved out of the house due to paranormal activity. So they asked us to come here to see if indeed there was something or if it was all in their mind. And guess what?
It's not in their mind, and we captured just about the same evidence, if not more. So go ahead, check out the videos. What are evidence? Comment on those videos, like the videos, share the videos, and if you haven't already,
Subscribe. And for Don,
Lainey here.
Spectrewaves Paranormal, good night, everybody.
Thanks, guys. Good night.
Okay, I have it aimed going towards the corner, so we'll see if that fixes it. All right. Are you in the corner? Are you in that corner? Yes?
There you are.
Of course you're here, that's why it's picking you up. Right? Okay.
Something about that window. And I think that's where that electrical box is too.
You think so?
So maybe that's where they're pulling that
they
energy.
go and they get power and then they come back?
Yeah. Oh, he's back again on a different one.
Okay.
Now he's gone. Every time they appear, that goes off.
Well, that's good, right?
He's back. Oh, wow, this is different. Oh my God, this is so different. I hope I'm recording. I've never saw this before. I wish you can come here. It's weird, Don. It's so weird. Oh, was that cool? It was all the body parts were scattered all over the place, Don.
Really?
And then they regrouped. They
jumped out and then they came back?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I've never saw that before. It was like lines everywhere, and then all of a sudden they all just turned into a person.